Welcome back to the channel and welcome to an unboxing video. In today's video, we're going to unbox and set up a Google Nest Hub. So to be completely honest, the reason I haven't had a whole lot of unboxing content on the channel lately is, well, I haven't been buying anything. But this box has been sitting around for a little while. I know exactly what's inside it. It's a Google Nest Hub, and I actually got this when I signed up for the internet at my new place. So kind of been sitting on it, wondering if I should use it, and then I thought, well, it'd be great content for the channel to show you guys exactly what's inside and how to set one of these up. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So I've been getting a whole lot of flack on the channel lately and saying I'm not a true Canadian unless I have a real unboxing knife. So you guys will be happy. I finally have a real unboxing knife. Probably a little bit overkill, but we'll see how it works. So this is my new unboxing knife, and let's get into it. Cuts through tape pretty good. Alright, so part of the promotion was the Google Nest Hub, as well as I got 2 of these smart light bulbs and a smart plug. So that's pretty cool. Let's open it up and have a look and see what's inside. Ta-da! So this is the, what size is it? 7-inch version, I think. And well, that's it. Not very big. There's both my hands. Speaker and plug on the back. Traditional kind of orange bottom. And you have your let's get started. Empty. And a plug. Alright, so let's get started and plug this in and see what happens. Okay, so I've got my cell phone now, and we're going to open up the Google Home app. Let's see if it automatically finds it. Yep, set up one device, so we're going to click on that button. We're going to add it to our home. It says looking for devices. And there we go, we have a Nest Hub. It actually lines up with the numbers there. Click on next. Connecting to Nest Hub. So far the setup seems pretty simple. Okay, so you might have this happen on your phone. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But sometimes on Android phones, if it doesn't see Wi-Fi, it doesn't like to connect to the network. So on my particular phone here, I actually had to select this Nest network, which I'll show you on screen there. And it's actually saying it on the screen of the phone right now. So I'm gonna keep that Wi-Fi connection. And then I'm going to go back to Google Home, and yes, everything is working correctly. And I have no idea where I'm going to put this yet. I'm not sure I'm going to put it in the kids' room, but probably just say the kitchen for now. And then it asks you to connect to your Wi-Fi network, so we're going to say yes. You can laugh all you want at my network name, but keeps people from connecting to it. And of course it updates, so it's going to update all of the apps and everything, and I've had this in the box for a while, so there might be a few things, but that seems to be going a little bit faster now. The phone is actually allowing me to continue. Next. So I believe it is now linking the accounts. Yeah, almost done. Activate voice match, click next. I believe I've already got voice match set up. I like the fact that you have all your smart home stuff here. Very easy to use. So if you're actually purchasing this as a smart home controller, it's a really good one. Okay, so I might as well quickly unbox the Globe lights. They are called Bright, which Globe is a pretty good manufacturer. I definitely recognize them. Get in it. This knife's too big. Definitely need to get a smaller knife for unboxings, but. So there you have it. You have 2 light bulbs. 1, 2, and a 3-prong, which is really nice. A 3-prong smart plug. Have a look at that there. Bright 3-prong on-off switch on the side. So works with Alexa, works with Google Assistant. Obviously it came with that, so that is pretty neat. Got some color changing light bulbs here and little Wi-Fi plug. So thanks for watching today. If you like this video, make sure you head down below. There's a little arrow somewhere on one of these sides. Click that little arrow down and it'll give you the like button as well. If you want to leave a comment, that would be awesome. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then you might as well smash that subscribe button while you're down there. So until next time, take it easy out there. Yeah, I need a smaller knife.